So me and Hazel just made it to the clinic. You ready to go see Dr. Megan?
Yeah.
You gonna talk to her?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready. No, I'm not gonna talk to her. What's new? Huh? Hazel, what's new? Never talks to her. Alright. Wish us luck.
For sensitive stomach, and we don't know if he got in anything, but seemed to have checked out okay. But he's home. He got a shot to help him kind of with nausea and feeling better. So he's home and gonna take a rest. Busy.
Hey, Busy.
You can't get in there? In the console is a mailbox key right there. Yeah. See him? Okay.
I'll get out now. Get them out. Now give it back to you.
You get out. Is that big? Danielle's off to Chicago for a girls' weekend. So I got all the kids until Wednesday. They're all in here doing crafts right now. Make.
You can do this.
Huh? What did you make it? That's a cool technique.
See how there's glitter glue on it?
Alright, so I'm working on the second little project on the Jeep. I ordered the headliner from Hotheads Headliners. Just heard that the quality of these, plus they have like sound fasten strips, so sound deadening strips that'll go in here. So the quality was a little bit better than the factory ones. So I'm gonna try it out. Got the hard top laid out right here. Got the truck pulled up underneath the porta-cochere because it's like sprinkling outside. So hopefully we don't get any blowing rain because I don't have a roof on my truck right now. But I'm gonna put this on, and supposedly, I mean, hot Texas heat is supposed to keep the inside temperature of the truck at least 20 degrees cooler than the top of the headliner, or 20 degrees cooler than. All right, just like that. Got headline. It actually went super easy and straightforward. Got the side panels in. There. Up on the front, freedom panels. With sound deadening strips underneath. So they claim to decrease interior temperature, decrease decibels on road noise, and also just allow like the sound system inside the car to sound a little bit better, because it just, with that sound deadening, allows the bass to just hit better. So far super happy with just the way it turned out. I'm gonna go drive it and see how I like it.